So we got the trash truck sitting here. Yeah, this tire always goes down. But I'm thinking LP94 might show up here in a little bit. But I'm thinking let's get rid of this mat. I want to do something special over with that damn water. But we'll solve that. It is just a trash truck, right? Then let's get these bunk seats out of this thing. Right? I don't know where I'm gonna store them. That's gonna be 20 pounds on each side, right? Well, guys, this is gonna take a little bit more than I thought. This is a one-piece mat, but I want you to see. Look at this. It's just full of water, so it's got to come out. But we got to take the seats out, and I didn't want to do that, but I got a seat here from first responder that can go right here. I don't know if it's gonna be lighter or heavier, but we'll see. But there you go. You're gonna have to give us a minute because I gotta go round up tools to get these damn seats out. I have found these are pinned in from the bottom. Just take the bolts out on top. Everything's good. We got to spray down with some of this right here. That don't work, but it's gonna slick them. So we're working on getting the seats out. These assholes are wanting to talk about a fucking damn automatic freaking antenna.
Just take a look at this.
You're the one who brought the antenna up.
Would you just look at it? Just look at it.
I think y'all need to race.
Oh.
Trash truck and thunder chicken.
He ain't got a chance.
Or bunder third.
He ain't got a chance. I know the Achilles heel in that thing.
I bet y'all be window next to window going down the whole dang road.
Your flowers are blooming over
Damn, I'm done.
All right.
Seats out. Now we're fixing to remove all this crap.
It's wet.
Yeah, it's wet. Probably 100 pounds right there coming off. Let's keep going. Mat's out. We still got the bunk seats to go, but you can see over here, and yeah, we got some cleaning. We lost about 15-20 pounds just in that wet mat. Hang on, show you more. one day. I'm gonna have to get, oh God. I'm gonna spit this shit out.
You got holes in your shirt. The next day.
Well, look here. We're still working on this. Lars is in there. Now he's got to remove everything we put in there.
Screw it.
Because it was raining all day today. Now what's gonna happen is he's gonna bring this shit out. Look, watch. He's gonna keep pulling shit out of the damn truck. Don't just hang it. Look, there you go. Another one of those seats. I don't think he can do it. I don't think he can get ready to paint that damn thing. Look, he don't. Damn it, dude.
It was me.
All right, Bruce man. Your turn. Get your ass out there. Come on.
No.
I'm just sitting here watching all y'all assholes do your shit. Come on. This is a... Look, he didn't come back with shit this time. Don't be throwing shit at me. Let's see if we can get this... Let's see if they can get this shit done. Yep. LP94.
Action.
Oh, damn, why you... Dude, you gonna need this.
Hey, look. Look. Let the shenanigans begin.
Yeah. You see, Bruce man ain't getting into it.
Shit. He's done got it all out.
Bullshit, but yeah, get in there. Get in there, man. We'll make it a race truck.
I thought we were selling it. I was just getting all my shit out of it before we sold
Damn,
it.
we're gonna sell it?
Yeah.
Ain't nobody gonna pay me 10 grand for that damn thing.
You need cat litter money.
Oh shit, yeah. Oh, no, I don't even have a fucking cat.
Not yet.
The neighbors.
We're still at it.
We don't know what the hell to do. We're still at it.
Damn, I got some shit.
What up, y'all? Back on the trash truck. Yep, I got you in the selfie stick. But we'll give it one more wire wheeling down there. I think we sprayed some rust encapsulator stuff on it yesterday. Then we're gonna let it be what it is. Here we go. Action, tell the peoples.
We're done. Well, we got her all cleaned out. Now it's time to, we put some encapsulating in here. Now it's time to hit it with some paint. See if we can't change its attitude on that one.
Heck yeah. Got some leftover green. There you go. I think he's gonna use that up first, and then we'll switch over to some black. Up close.
Yeah, up close and personal. That's too personal.
What?
That's too damn personal. You're invading my space.
POV spray painting.
We have done some lightning. Those back seats are out on both sides. We took care of this stuff, right? So waiting on this to dry so we can start putting seats in. I think the next step though before we put the seats in is put that automatic shifter here. Heck, we're just doing what we gotta do. All right, 3 coats of paint. We got this about straightened out. We still got, you know, this we'll take care of later. But hey, we killed all the damn rust. We took, see, there's shit missing over here too. Now we got to get that headliner out. And that little thing right there, that rattles like hell. But hey, we're playing with it. So there you go. Hope y'all are liking this. It's just, that's what we're doing. We still have right here in the back, the spare tire carrier. That's like 5 pounds. Let's get that out of there. Let's, you know, let's just do it to it. Let's see what happens. Trash truck is full of trash again. Oh, God. But anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this little video. Next is, we got to put the, automatic shifter in the floor. And then, I think the interior is done. Next is the rear end, you know, that. Let's put a 410 under it. Let's see what happens there. But that's it. Hope y'all have a good day. Good night when you see this. I hope everything's going good in your world. Everybody home safe. Watch out for the loose lug nuts. We'll see you on the next one.